I went to the Magic the Gathering pop-up in London. The week before MagicCon Amsterdam, Wizards hosted a free pop-up event in London. I found out about it super last minute, but luckily it was already in London on Saturday. You didn't need tickets to attend, just booked a time slot to make sure you could get in. When it was first announced, there were basically zero details, but obviously I still wanted to sign up anyway. There was a press/influencer night and people started vlogging, so I got a bit of a better idea, and by the end of the week, I was much more excited, especially for the mono black experience. Speaking of, hello, my little mono black creature. So here's a little vlog of exploring some fun places in London and visiting the Magic the Gathering pop-up. Hello, welcome back to another video. Today is a very exciting day because we're in London to go look around lots of shops and fun things, but I'm also going to the Magic the Gathering pop-up. We were already planning to be in London and then we saw what was happening this weekend and we managed to get a time slot. So very excited to go to that, but yeah, come with us on this very fun day. We are currently in a travel lodge. I crashed Wills's work karaoke last night. My skin, these wounds, they will not heal. To come along, so I did that for a little bit, and then got to stay in the hotel as well. So we're kind of in the center already and right near where we need to be, which is great. So I think we're gonna go out, get some breakfast. We might get banana pudding for breakfast maybe. So.
How can you tell that it was karaoke night last night?
Yeah, you went a lot worse than me. If I sing, my voice, I mean, you can, yeah, my voice is a little struggling, but if I sing, it's bad. Excited to walk around London.
So warm.
Okay, it's not as, I mean, it's quite warm, but it's not as awful as we thought it was. There's a little breeze, it's quite nice. We are off to get banana pudding. Last time I think it was closed, although we didn't have enough time, I can't remember, but
I think we got enough time. Yeah.
I'm very excited. It's like our favorite dessert. It's good. It's really nice. Maybe quite intense for breakfast, but very good.
In hindsight, it's kind of an insane breakfast.
So it's really big. That's so good though, so whatever. So we had plans of lots of places to visit in the morning, but nothing seemed to open till 11 on the Saturday, so we just ended up walking around a little bit, mostly recovering from the most lavish breakfast I have ever subjected myself to. Okay, it turns out everything was closed to 11, so I went to pop, browse a little bit, but now we can get back to the places we were trying to go. So let's go to Orc's Nest. There are a lot of board games I really want to pick up at the moment, which you can see me holding up, but we decided on Container for now, which I'm very keen to try. But on the topic of board games and tabletop, I am now a Zatu Games affiliate, so you can help support me by buying your next game through my link, which you can find in the description. Before you were 2 board games. Best game in the shop.
Never heard of it.
Okay, we wanted to get a drink, but I have just spotted something way more important. The new set, they are so pretty! Gotta get one.
Technicolor boyfriend.
Alright, it's really hot, so we're gonna try and find somewhere to have a drink because the sun is really hitting now. And it's a struggle. I've yet to find a good cafe, but once again, something that I want to do. So we're gonna head to Uniqlo and see if they've got any cute collabs at the moment. So I think they are kids, but it's just like baby tears. I hope the adult collab just isn't. It's cute. So the kids Pokemon stuff was so much cuter than the adult collection, and they went up to size 13, So I thought I'd risk it and see if I could just fit into it. And even better, Uniqlo had a cafe on the top floor that served amazing matcha, so we could relax for a minute in store and enjoy some aircon because London was incredibly hot.
I'm gonna take a suspect.
Oh my god, I finally pulled a puppy. I've literally never pulled a puppy before. Oh my god, she's so pretty. It's the pink one's Aphrodite. While walking around, we popped into London Graphic Centre, which was incredible, and I bought a bunch of adorable stickers, so I was super happy. Then we grabbed some more water, a quick snack, and one final rest before heading over for a 1 p.m. time slot for Magic the Gathering pop-up. Okay, we have had a snack and now we are heading over to the Magic Experience, so let's go. So we headed over and we started queuing just before 1 p.m. and got let into the event as a whole as the previous time slot people all left. We are queuing, ready to go in. Very excited. My lovely friend Ellie was also in London, so joined us for the event. Price ticket!
Price ticket.
Let's go. All right.
We win £1 million.
We each got given a token to be used for one of the claw machines inside. Everything was obviously magic themed with the amazing stained glass mana symbols from Dominaria, which I now want. I want a giant glowing sign somewhere in my house so bad. If anyone knows where to buy them, please let me know. So inside the pop-up, there were various activities. Congratulations, you're the whole. The face is just missed at the bottom. Nothing else.
Can you tell the similarities? Like,
They called us
I can't see
straight
any.
up.
Have you ever seen us in the same room?
No. And each was split between a specific colour. So red had a quick reaction game where top scores could earn prizes. Blue was a memory game. White was the shop at the back, mostly featuring new Marvel things, so it wasn't massively interesting to me. I would have loved if the pop-up was around a Universes Within set, so fingers crossed they do it again and I get to do that. They did also have a central shop too, selling some old booster packs, and there were shelves with lots of different sets and products to shop kind of around the event, but everything was marked up quite a bit. I was tempted to get a Law and Collector booster, but I just couldn't justify paying the extra cost. But one day, I will open up a Law and Collector booster. The first thing we headed for was the claw machine, and as a team, we might have pulled off something amazing. Oh. Yes. Yes. Oh my god.
There it is.
That took 3 of us to get it. That was a joint effort. And that is the best thing we could have got. Oh my god, that's so fun. It literally took all 3 of us working for it, but we managed to get a pack of Lorwyn sleeves. We were so happy. Truly a team effort. It was incredible. After that, we queued for a thing that I was most excited for, which was the black mana symbol, where we had the chance to become a card. Yep. I was so excited. So you head over, you get your picture taken, you pick a name, and you get it printed right then and there. I wasn't ready for my picture, so I didn't manage to get a fun pose, but I'm still very happy with how it turned out. After that, we had another look around everything. We tried the mono red game, and then we were getting pretty hot and tired, and it was nearly the hour, so we decided to head out. By this point, we were massively flagging, so Ellie headed off to go to her event. She was going to MCL that night, so she was just going to friends to get ready, and me and Wills stumbled our way over to try and get some food. Okay, we have just left the Magic event. It was really, really fun, and now we're going to get some ramen because we're both dying a little bit, but it was good. I'm ready. ramen was incredible. It is now absolutely boiling. We're walking to get some ice cream, maybe go to the Miffy shop, and I'm probably gonna get the tube and head home. I think it's so good.
I would like
Boris
of toast.
I like this one. I like the little breads these two have. I like Melanie and Miffy. And I like little cup as well.
We survived the tube. Now we are getting the train and heading home. It is so hot today. Okay, I am back home. I got home and literally collapsed and ordered food. But I'm slightly more alive again now, so we can do a little haul of the day. There are lots of really fun, cute stuff. Magic event was really fun, had a great time, lots of fun little activities. I think there was like one game I didn't play, which was the blue guessing game, but it was like very hot in there and a lot of queues. I didn't even take any pictures, that's how hot it was. I was just filming fun stuff and then just losing my mind, but it was really fun and I'm really glad I managed to get over that. I hope they do more pop-ups like this. It was really cool. I'd love to see more magic events. It was great, especially in the UK. I feel like this is a very like US thing. UK doesn't normally get many things, so I was very happy and I was very happy with my shopping trip, so let's go. Popped into London Graphic Society. I was actually like walking past it and was like, should we go in here? This looks great. I was like, I've been wanting to go there. And I got some stickers. Oh, from the magic event. I forever have wanted a giant card. I've been wanting giant magic cards literally as soon as I found out they existed. I love them. I have always wanted them. Yes, I finally have them. They are Marvel ones. And I'm not a big Universes Beyond fan. I can understand why people like it. I like magic's universe and world, and I just wish that was the main focus, and that's what I like. So I finally have big cards, but they're not what I want. But I took them because I can give them to other people. They were free at the event, so I thought that'd be fun. I think it's very cool they were giving these out. I think that's very cute and fun. Imagine if they were Lorwyn though. Also got my kids t-shirt. It's so cute. I think 13 will just about fit on me. Went to Pop Mart, saw my big excitement, drew my first ever Poppy. Oh, she's so pretty. I'm so happy. And I love this pink one. She's so cute. Won these. It was such a team effort. It was incredible. Yeah. It's time. I love these two. I love their little breads. I think it's so cute. Oh, and the Miffy with coffee is very cute as well. I mean, they're very cute. That's why I bought it. They're really nice. I did also, while I was there, see this giant pink Miffy, and it's so pretty and so cute. I didn't even open it nicely when I was filming it. I'm so bad. Ooh. Ooh. I got the little bread one! Oh my god, she's so cute! One on the box. I'm so happy. I got great blind box luck today. I was literally trying to explain to some of Will's work colleagues last night like what a blind box is. And I feel like every time you explain it to someone for the first time, they're like, right, so you like pay money to like not get the thing you want. I'm like, but when you do, it feels so good. Oh, she's so cute. That's gonna look so cute, my little yellow backpack. I really need more bags. I have so many bag charms and really not that many bags, but thank you so much for watching. I have so many fun videos planned. I have like so many far ahead, you know, I'm like trying to fit it all in, which is fun. So I'm gonna try and post twice a month, I think is what I'm planning at the moment. At least once, maybe twice, ideally. And yeah, let me know if there's anything else you want to see from me. Did you go to the magic event? Would you go to a magic event? What would you like to see from a magic event? I think it was really fun. I would love more games and stuff. It's great. So thanks for coming along with me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.